Hello my foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make
Carne a la Mexicana.
Carne a la Mexicana. So this is an really easy recipe. I'll show you guys step by step, and these are the ingredients you will need. You're gonna need some meat. I like to use this kind of meat because it already has a fat. You don't have to use oil or anything like that. And the picanha, aka top sirloin. The meat is really tender, so that's what I like to use. I'm gonna use 2 serranos. Depending on spicy how you like it, you can add more or you can add less. I'm gonna have 1 potato
With cherry,
just a little piece of cilantro to give it that last herby flavor. 1 whole onion because I love onions. And 2 tomatoes. We have salt. And we have garlic salt. I usually use the natural garlic, but there was no garlic in the store right now. It's very low supply at the store, so I'm gonna use what I have. So we got the garlic salt and the salt. We're gonna go ahead and start up with our carne so we can get that cooking, and we're gonna cut this, and then we're gonna go ahead and boil our potato. You can also fry the potato first, put it on the side, and then add it later, but I'm gonna boil mine, and then we go on from there. So I removed the fat on top and I thinly sliced this. We're gonna go ahead and render the fat on a pan. We're gonna get started. You can leave some fat on your meat, or depending on the meat you have, doesn't matter. I personally like to render the fat here so there can be a little bit of oil so the meat can have a lot of flavor. Look how good this is rendering. If you guys only knew how bomb this is gonna be. We thinly slice our meat. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Pretty thin meat here. So it can be ready quickly, and it'll have that super soft tenderness that you're looking for. Wow, this is converting to chicharron, beef chicharrones. Okay. Look at our beautiful vegetables. Try to add vegetables to every meal, you guys. If you guys don't like vegetables, well, you gotta change that. You are what you eat. So we have our onions. No. We have our onions, tomato, serranos there, cilantro. Look how beautiful. You can cut them any way you want. If you don't like any of these ingredients, you can remove them. But I totally recommend it. Everything has its purpose of flavor and the dish. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow.
This is almost ready. I'm gonna have this really toasty. There we have it. Our chicharron, beef chicharrones. Oh, that with the tortilla slacking on, delicious. So I removed more than half of the oil that this fat rendered. I'm gonna use that for future occasions. And we're left with a little bit of oil here, enough to fry this meat that we have here. So let's go ahead and throw our meat on there. We're gonna go ahead and add our garlic salt. Now, you want to soften your meat, so with its water, of the meat. We're gonna go ahead and lower it. We're gonna cover it so it can come out very tender. Okay, wait. Now that it's cooked through, we're gonna go ahead and add our onions. You don't want to leave this really dry. As you can see, there's a little bit of juice down there. We're gonna add our onions. Now you want to add your tomatoes and your serrano. Looking beautiful already. Wow. You don't want to overcook this. You want it to be juicy, not dry. Go ahead and add a little bit of consommé. Chicken broth, just a little bit. Throw in the potatoes. And now, you see all this juice? Look at this juice. Look at all that juice. Wow. Go ahead and gently mix this and turn it off because it's ready. Last but not least, our cilantro. And there you have it. Carne la Mexicana.
Carne a la Mexicana.
Testing time.